lovies, how are you doing? Hopefully you're good. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, it's all about how to install these soft locks. And I'll be taking you guys step by step as usual from the beginning to the end. And I'm telling you, it's so easy to install these locks, and yet it's long time protective style. If you're my oldest subscriber, thank you so much, honey, for stopping by. But if you are new to this family, you are welcome. My name is Glorim Tui, and before you leave, kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved one. If you want your people, your friend, your sister, brother to know how to style these soft locks. I started with very fresh hair. I washed my hair a day before. I usually braid my hair after wash because it's so easy and I will not feel itching. For that time, I'll keep my protective style. So always I wash my hair before I braid. And I'll be using this all sun gel, but you may either decide to use any kind of gel that works for you, because to use gel, it's so important because you can make your section easily. Yeah, like you can part your section so easy if you have gel. So after I part the first time, I apply some gel and then I redo the line again, as you see. And every time after I redo the line, I get clean line because I apply some gel. So it's so easy like to hold all the hair together. And after this, I'll go ahead with small section. You may either decide to put bigger section or smaller than mine, depending on how long you want to keep your protective style. So after that, I divide my natural hair into three, just like so. And then at this point, I zoom closely so that you can see clearly like what I'm doing over here. So after I divide the hair into three and then I start to braid, you may either decide to pick from right side or left side. It's all up to you. But for me, I like to pick from right side, and then middle section goes behind my thumb finger so that my thumb finger and my index finger can pick new hairstyle from either right or left side. And I keep braiding through way till the end of my natural hair. Here we go again. I divide my hair into three. Divide your hair into equal three parts. It's so important. And then after there, start braiding. Once you divide your hair into three even sections, you'll find out it's so easy to braid because you don't need to borrow like hair from any side. You just need to go all over. And then I keep braiding. You may either decide to do the three ways if you can. If you cannot, you may either decide to do flat twists. Both are okay. Okay, let's do this last section. And after this section, guys, I'll be showing you how I install this hair. And another thing I forgot to mention from the beginning, when you're doing these cornrows or when you're creating the base, make sure you're not tying your hair too much, because later you'll crochet your hair in between. If you tie too much, you'll feel a bit pain. So when you are doing this hair, make sure you don't tie too much so that it will be easy for you to crochet the hair without pain. And I'm telling you, to part this hair is the most hard. Once you're done with parting, to install this hair, it's so easy. It took me less than 1 hour. But to part my hair, it took me about 1.5 hours or 2 hours. So here we go. I'll be using these soft locks. This is called 1B. I forgot how long it is, but I think it's 18 inches, if I'm not wrong. And this Soft Locs, it has curly in the end, and each part contain 24 locks. So you get 24 locks in a pack. So if you have like 48 section, you only need only two packs to braid your entire head. And I'll be using this spring afro twists here. I use two packs to braid my entire head. And as you can see, this hair is so long, so I'll go ahead and cut into two. And if I'll find it's also too long, I'll cut again. So each piece I'll cut into four. But in the beginning, let me cut into two first. Then after I see how long it is, then I will decide either I want to cut again into four pieces, or I will go ahead with these two pieces. So I crochet the lock on my hair, each section, and then I pull my hair again because I don't want these locks to be very long. But if you want to adjust the size, like you want to be longer than here, then you don't need to fold your natural hair. Just go ahead and keep wrapping. And guys, as you can see here, after I braid back section, I realized that the hair is too long. So I go ahead and I cut each piece into four. And I take each piece and I wrap on my natural hair. When you're wrapping, you have to wrap gentle because you don't want to cause any tension on your scalp. So keep wrapping slowly, slowly till the end of the hair. But if your hair is longer than mine, you have to make sure you cut long piece because you have to make sure you cover your natural hair. And after you finish wrapping, put the lock on your palm and roll it to make sure you secure or you lock your locks. If you do that, you'll find out your lock does not unravel. It doesn't matter how long you keep. But once you wrap without wrapping on your palm, you'll find out your lock. Maybe it may unravel before time. So let me show you guys on back how I braid. It's just so easy, like this way. After I crochet the lock, I take a piece of spring here and then I wrap slowly, slowly, and I wrap till the end of this spring hair. And when I'm wrapping, I make sure I cover my entire natural hair, so my hair does not show out. After I wrap till the end, I put the lock on my palm like this way, and then I roll couple times. Make sure everything is well secured, and then I drop the lock and move to the next lock. When you are wrapping in the beginning, don't wrap too tight because once you wrap like too tight, you'll find out your lock, they'll be too tight and they'll not look alike. So to avoid that, just wrap gentle. Don't worry, the hair will not unravel. Even if you wrap gentle without tie too much, the hair will not unravel. And then keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping till the end of your natural hair. And here I'm done with the last section. As I told you guys, this hairstyle, it's so easy to install. Oh my goodness, I never did this before. This is my very first time to install these kind of soft locks, and I'm so in love with this hair because This hair is so light, and I do love light hair. I don't like heavy hair. And guys, let me put on my makeup and show you the final results. And here we are. This is the final results for today's video. Let me know, guys, what do you think about this look? Will you like to rock this soft locks? Will you try? And you can style your look in so many ways like this and more styles. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, before you leave, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your loved one. I will see you soon, guys. Bye bye.